Hi there everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Viennese Waltz practice routine number 6. This was taught on the 28th of November 22. Unfortunately, when I first recorded this, there was a problem with the audio on the video, so I've actually had to re-record this, hence why I'm working from my notes. So if you want the full video from the full class, you're looking in the video library for the 28th of November 22. However, this is a quick summary. So, right foot, we're going to do a corner check. Left foot, corner check. I'm going to face my left corner and do a straight forwards basic. Close my feet and come back again. I'm going to do a right foot swivel, a left foot swivel, and then I'm going to reverse turn, right foot back, left foot forwards. Viennese Waltz, remember we have the cross here, and you could do 4 bars or you could do 8 bars, okay? I personally did 8 bars in the lesson, okay, but you could do 4. I then did a little side lunge on the right and a little sort of explosion step on the left. 4 small whisks. And then I did a right step turn. Right, left, right. And in the lesson I had some people that weren't so keen on the turning. They did a chassis. Right, left, right. I did 1 more corner check on the left foot. And I then did some little Botafogo steps, and then I did a grapevine to here. I did a right foot pivot and a left foot pivot, and then I did a right foot and close. Okay, and let's look at the timings on those. Corner checks, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, straight, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, reverse, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, lunge, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3, whisk, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, turn, 2, 3, check, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pivot, pivot, finish, and close. Now I apologise for having to work from my notes. Obviously it's actually been a couple of months and I haven't realised what had happened with the audio on the original recording. So my apologies for that. That was Solo Viennese Waltz practice routine number 6 in our improvers lists, and that was originally in the class on the 28th of November 22. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.